guys, what's going on? It is Jalen here on Tracie's Place. Today is December the 8th, Vlogmas Day 8. And I am going to be taking over today because we have some things going on today. So let me tell you, today my dad got ordained as a deacon. Here's a quick clip of the service.
On the 8th day of December 2019, Pastor Kenway Lowe's will pass the teaching. Yes, sir. That's
It's really just to serve. The title doesn't mean anything, doesn't change who I am or what I do, because what I am is serve. Amen. Don't expect me to be any different. Just expect me to be me.
Oh, bless your heart. You even take front of you the floor. You go now. All right.
Now we have some things going on with the family and everything, but we're good now.
Hey guys, so we had a blessed day and a scary day on Sunday. My mother-in-law, who's in her upper 80s, while we were celebrating my husband at a restaurant after the service, she had a health scare episode and had to be rushed to the hospital, but she is better now. She did have to spend a couple of days in the hospital, and she is better and recovering. And those of you who know the word of prayer, please say a prayer for her. But we are thankful that she is recovering and getting better, and looks like everything's going to be okay. So that was the family thing that Jalen mentioned.
And now we are eating Chipotle. My bowl is pretty much gone. All you see is rice and tortilla right now. But my mom has her bowl. Go ahead and tell them what you got.
I have a chicken bowl with both beans. I have both rices. I have the mild tomatoes, corn salsa, what else? Sour cream, and what else? Lettuce. And I also have chips. Jalen, I have chips and salsa. I have two kinds of
and guac.
that, and then I have the guacamole. I have some guac. We're kind of
because of me,
right?
You know, I had a birthday reward on the Chipotle app. If you don't have the app to the food place you go to, make sure you get the app, because the Chipotle app, because of that, I got a free chips and guac for my birthday, so my mom was able to enjoy that little reward right there, because I don't eat chips and guac myself. Also, for the Chipotle app, the Chick-fil-A app, oh my gosh, I get free sandwiches all the time, free fries all the time. All you do is scan it when you go and rack up points, and that's it. And the app is free, so I don't understand why you don't have it. They need to go ahead and hire me as a promoter, because I just got them some new people to the app. So
I need an app.
but yeah,
Okay.
it's my fixing for today.
Well, thank you so much for doing that for me, because Mama came home and got undone.
Y'all, she's suited with booty right now. Scarf attached.
Oh, don't tell them all that.
Okay, sorry, but just know she ready for war.
Right. I don't come to play. So I'm going to go ahead and get to eating before everything gets cold. So it is Isaiah's birthday, and we are going to Chick-fil-A because that's where Isaiah wanted to go. It is freezing out here. Freezing. Oh, whose birthday we want to pop it on?
Mine.
Oh, well. She wants to go to Papado's on her birthday. What you get, girl?
Chick-fil-A.
You know what? You asking for it.
It's hard to make a snowball. It's always dry.
Now, we're going to try this one more time. What did you get, Jalen, to eat?
I got you like sandwich.
I got turkey.
What? What's the issue?
Oh, Lord Jesus.
Any barbecue sauce
I'm
over there?
just confused.
Yes, yes.
They be worried about me and my plate.
I'm not worried about what. Just ask me, what are you eating? What
That
did
was
you
the
get?
time you decided what you wanted to eat. So my daddy asked you what you wanted to eat. You know.
Did you get a number 1 too, Isaiah?
Why you always got to pivot back to me?
Try some hot sauce and honey.
Because
Hot sauce and honey. You feeling different today. Here we go again.
how do we suck our lip
That
in?
chin double lip one more time.
Just because I love you and it's your birthday and I want to make memory of this, Isaiah.
God is grace, God is good, Lord. We thank you for the food, bless the drink. Thank you, nourishing our heart, bless the hands to prepare, bless the words we eat. Let us be thankful for all that we have in you, and thank God for Isaiah. We're celebrating his 15th birthday. God love him, and we does too. Thank you, Jesus, and amen.
Amen. Isaiah, you finished eating already?
He got another one on the way. What happened?
Thank you, screaming the rock.
Mr. order was wrong, so they just gave him another sandwich.
Their pleasure.
Happy birthday, Isaiah.
Son, there's nobody like you. Isaiah, you are the only one who can be who you are and do what you do. Own that and celebrate it. Happy birthday. We love you, Mom. More than words can say. Mom, Daddy, and Jay. 15 years old, 2019.
What the outside that car say?
It's outside.
Outside.
This?
Son, there's nobody like you. I thought he said, sorry, nobody likes you.
Oh my goodness.
I say, dang.
Oh my goodness. No, I wouldn't get in the car that says that.
Ooh.
Try them on before you take the camera. Oh, your hair all over the place. Oh, you had your baseball cap on. Well, happy birthday. Hope you had a good day. So let's put our bulbs on. Oh my goodness.
All I
Hopefully the
want for Christmas is Isaiah, I need you to do the music.
Oh my
I don't want a lot, Isaiah. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There's just one thing I need, and Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you can ever know. Make my wish come
I definitely will not get copyrighted over that.
All I want for Christmas is you.
Can you put it higher?
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Top. Is there a central one?
Oh, another song?
Oh Lord, you cannot have two bulbs right together,
I
man.
just did. And if you want to make it look right, put yours on the other side.
Oh
Yours
my
on the left.
goodness, no, I'm gonna have
Boom.
to straighten that.
You got that white one up
This
there.
white one's not in the center.
The
Yours
king
could
has
go right
spoken.
here.
Yeah.
Can you put it right there?
No,
My daddy
because
has
then it's
spoken.
gonna be right over
I'll
top of
move.
that, man.
I'll move the white one.
My daddy has spoken.
You know what?
Go ahead, Jamie. Tracy. That's fine.
Background music, please.
Have yourself a merry little
Wait, it's not focused.
Touch the center and focus it.
It's not focusing. Maybe this angle.
I'm already out.
Sorry.
How did Isaiah go first anyway?
Isaiah didn't go first.
Prince goes second.
Okay, go ahead, Mama.
Where did he go?
That Isaiah didn't go yet, did you? Oh, wow.
How did he go?
Have yourself, I can't keep a merry little Christmas. The Yuletide came.
Thank you.
Now
Okay, I need a new song. That song was a
Okay,
little
alright,
tired.
what song you want to hear?
Rudolph.
Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer,
That is not how it goes.
had a
Very
shiny nose.
And if you
If you ever saw him,
Oh Lord, don't trip him up.
you would even say
Knock some over.
all of the other reindeers. They never let poor Rudolph joining in the reindeer game.
They would never
Merry Christmas.
make choir
Then
tryouts.
one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say.
What he say?
He said, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you glide my sleigh tonight? And then how the other reindeer.
Reindeer.
That's not something to say.
Just wait for part 2 on day 25.
Oh no, please no more. No more. So Jalen's gonna hang Mickey's.
Ooh.
Michaela. And Isaiah's gonna hang Jordan's. Very nice.
You guys are the best. This is yours.
Appreciate that. Give yourselves a hand. Anyway.
And then try that shirt on as well.
Jalen's gonna hang her brother's truck on Jordan's truck. Thank you so much. You're so sweet.
You know who you sound like laughing?
I've been told Pepe Le Pew, but go ahead.
Who's that?
Some little cartoon character.
I was gonna say the cat, the Chesawick, the little sneaky cat. That
So now the tree looks much, much fuller. It looks much better. That's so pretty. So hubby put his here. That's mine. Jordan, oldest son. So Isaiah's there. Jalen's there. Michaela there. Mickey, oldest daughter. Mine, I have 2. And Allie, Alyssa, my daughter-in-law. So that is it. Love it, love it, love it. Isaiah when he was little. There's another one when he was little. Let's see, Jalen made a little mitten. She was in elementary or primary. I should have put the year on the back of it and I did not. That's Jalen when she was little. Yeah, so. Came out nice. She made that when she was younger in school. She made that little ornament. Isaiah made those, and Jordan got this from his first job. Well, not his second job. He was at McDonald's. He worked at McDonald's, his second job, and they gave him little ornaments, little trucks. So that is it. Oh, and the table. I bought 2 other little Christmas decorations from the Dollar Tree, the little stocking, and then another little sleigh. And then I put the little plate up on the table behind the sleigh. So it came out really nice. Very nice.